SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
If you ever set up a Memoji on your iPhone, then you're probably accustomed to opening up a conversation in the Messages app, tapping the emoji button, and then seeing this section with all the different Memoji stickers available. But if you aren't using those stickers, then you might want to remove them from that keyboard. Luckily, there's a setting that you can change, which will allow you to do that. You can remove the Memojis from your iPhone by opening the Settings app, scrolling down and selecting the General option, selecting Keyboard from this menu, then scrolling to the bottom of this screen and tapping the button to the right of Memoji Stickers to turn it off. Now you can go back to your Messages app and open that conversation and then tap the emoji button, and you'll see that the stickers should be gone from the left side of the keyboard. If they're still there, then you may need to close the Messages app like that, and then you can try opening it again to see if the Memojis are still gone. If for some reason they are still there, then you may need to restart your iPhone instead. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.